Unit -3 to 100% questions, identities, BFLI 001 par the SOI, talking about on-self. Certificate in French Language, CFL, Certificate, Postgraduate Certificate Programs. School of Foreign Languages, SOFL. IGNOU Audiobooks #IGNOU Audiobooks. Indira Gandhi National Open University.
Ici. Introduction. 10 uni anti-LED 100% question. The learner is advised to devote approximately 30 hours per uni. M. In 10 uni, you will learn the following. Week 1. An understanding a person who is talking about himself herself, oral. 2 partitive articles, faire du de la. 3 vocabulary, sport, profession. 4 expressing possession, oral. 5 possessive adjective, mon, ton, son etc. 6 number, 69 au noir. 7 c'est il est. 8 understanding a message online en swearing machine. 9 expressing likes and dislike. Week 2. A Elysion. 2 sound du. 3 understanding a an email chatting. 4 on égale nous. 5 conjugating veranda einer. 6 writing a postcard ou à frien. 7 riddle and puzzle. 8 French TV. The opening document of this uni présent à TV Game Show with an encore, présentateur, and 4 participants. This TV Game Show is based on a similar show en French television, Channel France 3 questions pour un champion, question for a winner, with a FAMU TV encore, Julien Lepère. The concept of the game is as follows, only one candidate is declared the winner of each party, round, and this is offered a good amount of money. If they decide to stay on and come back the next day to earn more money, they also take the risk of losing everything, if they does not answer the question. It is similar to quiz time, English, and talkable, Hindi. Startup. In this game, each candidate is invited to introduce himself herself at the beginning of each episode. Let us see if you have understood the text. Answer the following simple question. 1. Quel est le nom de l'émission télévisée, name of the TV program? 2. Il y a combien de participants dans l'émission, how many participants? 3. Comment s'appellent les participants? 4. Il y a combien de femmes dans l'émission, how many women? Oui. Non. C'est ça. Listen to the dialogue and take the correct answer. Suggestion. Since the main focus of this unit is on likes and dislike, there is a basic vocabulary that need to be known. Aimer égale to like. Adorer égale to love. Détester égale to what? Marié, égale marié. Célibataire égale single. Négation, negative sentence in French are usually marked by the two negative particles. Ne plus pas. The structure of a negative sentence is as follows. Sujet ne plus verbe plus pas plus objet. Exemple. Je suis professeur. Je ne suis pas professeur. Vous aimez le jazz. Vous n'aimez pas le jazz. Astérisque. J'aime la pluie. Je n'aime pas la pluie. Astérisque. Paul regarde la télévision. Paul ne regarde pas la télévision. Emma aime la télévision. Emma n'aime pas la télévision. Astérisque Élysion. If the final vowel is se, it is elided, as in the case of je, me, te, le, ce, de, ne, que. Ex, je aime égale j'aime. In case of la, I is elided if the word placed immediately after it start by a vowel. Ex. La amie l'ami. Compréhension. Have you understood the 5 statements? Are they true, vrai, ou false, faux? Activity 1. Listen to the CD. Then, find out the profession. Chez personne. The transparency of language and the photo will easily help you solve this question. How are we going to introduce this person? 1. C'est un musicien. Et is un musicien. 2. C'est un informaticien égal et is a unité en Guinée. 3. C'est un professeur égal et is a professeur. 4. C'est un journaliste et is a journaliste. Astérisque c'est, à case of Elysion, égale serait. Activity 2. A. Quand you relate a picture with the corresponding activity. X. Il fait de la natation, picture numéro 4. Suggestion. Refer to the preview any en article défini for this question. Il fait de la. Exemple, il fait de la natation. Il fait du tennis. Paul fait du volleyball. Note, du de plus le. A mentionné earlier, in most of the cases you can easily identify the gender of a noun, by looking at the article placed before it. B. Complète le following sentence. Suggestion. The names of internationally well-known players sport person are given here. Can you identify them? You have to give the name of the sport they practice. If you are confused, get help from the internet or encyclopedia. The verb faire, to do. Note the conjugation of the verb faire. Je fais. Tu fais. Il et l'on fait. Nous faisons. Vous faites. Ils elles font. The structure faire plus de la du can also be used for other activity, contact class. For example, one will say. Faire du théâtre. Faire de la danse. Faire du dessin. Faire de la guitare. Faire du piano. Faire du katakali. Faire du sitar. Faire de la gym. Faire de la cuisine. Faire du collage. Faire de la poterie. Faire de l'informatique. Activity 3. This activity shall be performed during the contact class. Suggestion. Since the learner has a global understanding of the introductory document, page 28, we shall study some part of the text more closely. Ex, Emma égale elle a 36 ans. Elle habite à Strasbourg. Elle est mariée. Supplementary activity I. Remettez les phrases dans l'ordre. 1. Et non, Angers je habite pas à. 2. Bien le MJ français si. 3. Pas en non, ne travaille Berlin à. 4. Luigi en /28 à pas et non, il /26. 5. Enfant j'y suis et je marié /2 /. 6. Vacances M Vincent N pluie pas la mail à Dorley. Répondez à ces questions à la première personne. Suggestion. To understand the use of may, study the following example. Ex, je suis italien mais j'habite à Paris. Supplementary activity 3. Complétez les phrases comme dans l'exemple. Ex, tu es chinoise, japonaise. Non, je ne suis pas chinoise, je suis japonaise. 1. Vous êtes violoniste. Pianiste. 2. Tu t'appelles Jim. Bob. 3. Ta famille habite à Rabat. Casablanca. 4. Tu as 30 ans. 29 ans. 5. Vous aimez le rugby. Football. 6. Tu es marié, Célibataire. Supplementary activity 5. Remettez ce dialogue en ordre. 1. Je suis né au Canada mais j'habite en France depuis 20 ans. 2. Je m'appelle Roland et toi. 3. Bonjour. Tu es nouveau. 4. Tu t'appelles comment? 5. Patrick. Enchanté. 6. 22 ans et toi. 7. Non, belge. Et toi? Émoticône n'en croyant pas ses yeux, bonjour. Oui. 9. De même. Tu es français. 10. Oh. Tu as quel âge? 11. Moi aussi. Quelle étrange coïncidence. Activity 4. Complète sentence suivante below. Read again the introduction au fichier candidat suivant en page 28. This will help you to find the answer. Ex, j'aime mon chien, ma famille et mes amis. Activity 6. This exercise is based on your general knowledge. You have to find the title of these movies. Basically, the main objective is to know which adjective possessive should be placed before the noun. Suggestion. First, look at the set word given. Since an article precede them, it will be easy to identify the gender. Now you can search the title on the internet, by entering the name of the actor given between brackets. Ex, Hiroshima mon amour. Supplementary activity 7. Soulignez le nom qui convient et réécrivez la phrase avec l'élément choisi. Exemple, Quel état, nationalité, adresse. Quelle est ta nationalité? Un comment s'appelle-t-on, ami. 2 moi, j'adore ma famille, pays. 3 C, fille, sont à Bangalore. 4 ça, mère voisin, n'est pas très gentille. 5 ta, sœur frère, est indienne. 6 le professeur vient dans sa voiture bu. Activity 7. Tic true, vrai, or false, faux, incorrect, incorrecte sentence. P. 30. 10 questions is related to the introductory text. As you can see, all these statements contain number. 19h50, 46, 61, 2, 340. Can you read this number? Activity 8. The learner will discover the number from 70 to 100, then 100 to 100 000. In the preview we stopped at 60, 60. From 60, 60, to 70, 70, let us see how it works. 60, 60. 61, 61. 62, 62. Point 69, 69. 70, 70, basically 60 and 10. 71, 71. Basically 60 and 11. 72, 72. 73, 73. 74, 74. 75, 75. 76, 76. 77, 77. 78, 78. 79, 79. 80, 80. Look at the left margin of the book for 80, 90 and 100. Now, how to read number subchat 315, 400 2365. The mechanism is very easy, one HS to break the number, like we do in English, digitwiz. For example, 423 is 423, read in French 423. This rule, however, does not apply to Hindi. 2008, 2008, read in French, 2008. Remember. Concerning 20, 80, 80, 20 as ANS, whenever a number is placed after 20, like 83, 83, 20 does not take the S. 100, Sam rule for 20. If a number is placed after 100, the late does not take ANS. 300 égale 300. 700 égale 700. 350, 350. 923, 923. 1000 never tags ANS. 2500, 2500. 1869, 1869. Remember, we shall never say a 1000 for 1000. 11236 égale 11236. 2 600 202 or 2 700 102 2 600 202. A. Read the following and rearrange the number in ascending order, ordre croissant. B. Write these numbers in letter. Numbers used in par. C. Complete the following in figure. X. 73, 73. C'est used in para. Supplementary activity 11. Transcrivez ces dates en chiffres. Write these dates in number. A. 1975, 1975, exemple. B. 1942. C. 1936. D. 1012. E. 1720. Supplementary activity 12. Transcrivez ces dates en lettres. Write these dates in letter. 1947, 1947. Exemple. B. 2007. C. 1971. D. 1980. E. 2011. Supplementary activity 13. Transcrivez les heures données en lettres. Write the time in letter 1. 20h15, 20h15. 2 9h05. 3 11h26. 4 7h02. 5 21h35. 6 minuit 40. Activity 9. Listen to the message on the CD and correct the mistake in the given text. 1. You need to correlate the audio recording with the text. You need to pick out the number on the track. Do not hesitate to listen several times to the same track since it is very important for you to understand the given information. How to fill a check. Study the document, check. Activity 10. There are several spaces which need to be filled in. And start by writing down the amount in the space provided in the first two lines. Do write the amount in figure in the box on the right. 3. Then write the name of the beneficiary, addressed to a Cinéma Khaled Majestic just above the line payable en France, IE. Payable in France. 4. Fais un chèque signé d'Aklil, name of the city. 5. Here, one must mention the date. EG. Le 21 mars 2008. L'L, même. Phonétique. 10. Section Oui l'essentiel dit Louise Élision. We have already introduced this concept in the beginning of this uni. P. 33. Elision refer to the suppression of a final unstressed vowel, usually, immediately before another word beginning with a vowel. The term elision also refer to the orthographic convention by which the deletion of a vowel is reflected in writing, and indicated with an particular condition where elision is compulsory. When the article définit le end are placed in front of a noun starting with a vowel. For example, one says, le but la voiture. Bu, l'appartement. Le plus appartement l'église. La église. Jet me, te end la place. The pronom objet me. Le. Exemple, Marco se lave, te parle, me téléphone, le voit, la paye. Bu, Marco s'appelle. In case of que. Exemple, qu'est-ce que tu fais? In case of si. Exemple, s'il te plaît, s'il vous plaît. Activity A. Observe this sentence and complete the table. There is one thing common in this sentence, elision. Let us study each sentence and see the reason behind elision non elision. Un je m'appelle Laurie. There is an elision due to the clash of vowel between me plus appelle. 2. J'habite à Pau. Why is there elision? 3. Mais, il s'appelle comment? 4. J'aime le soleil. 5. Il n'aime pas le jazz. 6. C'est toi. 7. Elle a une adresse électronique. 8. Yves. Il est à l'université. 9. Quel est l'âge de Pierre? 10. La rue d'Anvers, s'il vous plaît. 11. Quelle adresse? 12. Tu t'appelles bien Andrea. Activity C. This activity is divided into 2 parts. A. Listen see if the sentence are in the negative or affirmative form. Tick the correct box. Roman B. 1. The elision with ne, a negative particle. X. Je n'aime pas le théâtre. 2. The liaison with n plus vowel. X. On a horreur de ça. Roman B. This is not a negative sentence. The sentence that you will hear on the track are those given in activity BB, read, listen and then complete this sentence with ne, and or activity D. Put across, X, in the suitable box. We shall focus on phonetic, discrimination auditive, in this activity. You will hear 8 words, in which you will hear the sound like in rue, or the sound du like on bonjour. You will tick the box accordingly. Listen to the track. If you are still confused, do not hesitate to repeat the exercise. Did you hear the following word? Un beaucoup, many, 2. Littérature. 3 joueurs, player. 4 musique. 5 pour, for. 6 une. 7 écouter, listen. 8 université. Vous avez un nouveau message. You may have guessed the subject of this page, one person has sent an email to another. Let us try to analyze the content of this message by identifying and underlining the keyword in the text given below. Bonjour Flora. Merci pour ton message. Ça va bien à Nice. À Angers, ça va. Je travaille beaucoup et j'ai des amis français. On va au cinéma, on mange des plats italiens ou français tous ensemble, c'est sympa. J'adore Angers, le château, les cafés. J'aime beaucoup ma vie ici, mais je déteste la pluie et le froid, 15 degrés aujourd'hui. Écris-moi et raconte-moi comment tu vas. Bise. Ton ami Marco. So, it is now evident that Marco H.A.S. were written to Flora about his stay in Angers where he works, travaille. Et H.A.S. many French friends, amis français, with whom he goes to the cinema and also eat out, mange. Italien ou français. Bézide, et mention in his mails like send dislike, aimer, aimer beaucoup, détester. Now let us try to answer à FW question from the book. La télévision. Since the focus of the unit is on a TV show, 100% question, therefore, we are going to observe various sociocultural aspects of France depicted on various TV channels. This section will also enable us to compare Indian television, la télévision indienne, with French television, la télévision française. French television comprise of 4 public channels, France 2, France 3, Arte, A Franco-German Channel, and France 5, Educational Channel, available in India. 3 private national channels, TF1, M6 and Canal+. More than 20 channels available on cable. A very interesting collection of channels received by satellite, TPS, canal satellite, etc. Thank you, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and we will see you with the next chapter.